Hello, welcome to Nomis Academy. In this video, we are going to be looking at cycle theorems, and then we are going to solve calculations under Theorem 3. Remember what Theorem 3 is talking about? It says that the angle in a semicircle is a right angle, that is 90 degrees. We stated the theorem and we also showed the proof. But in this video, we are going to solve problems under Theorem 3. So let's take the first example. Example 1. Example 1. Find the value of the marked angle. So we have a circle and then a diameter with center O, and then here this point is A, this point is C, and we also have another point which is B. Now, angle at A is given to be 30 degrees, and then angle at C is X, the marked angle. Now we are asked to find the marked angle. So if you remember Theorem 3, which says that angle in a semicircle is right angle or 90 degrees. So it is very easy to solve this. So we can easily state that solution, we can state that angle at B, angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. We say angle at or angle in a semicircle. So we can confidently say that angle at B is 90 degrees. Okay, so now let's find X. So we are going to consider triangle ABC. So consider triangle ABC. We know that X plus 30 plus 90 degrees, which is angle at C plus angle at A plus angle at B, is equal to 180 degrees. So these are sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So to find X, we have X plus 30 plus 90 is 120 equal to 180 degrees. Then X is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So subtract 120 from 180, we have X is equal to 60 degrees. So therefore, the angle at this point, at point C, is 60 degrees. Let's pick another example. It says, example 2. Find the value of the marked angle. The marked angle. So we also have a circle. Okay, we have AC with center O. We have angle B. At this point, and then we have another angle here which is called D. Okay, this point is X, angle at D is X, angle at A is 48 degrees, and then we are asked to find the marked angle. We are asked to find the marked angle. So let's clean this other side of the board. Okay, so this point is joined together. Okay, now solution to the problem. So we are going to find the value of x. We are going to find this particular angle. Now from theorem 3, which says that angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So we can confidently state that angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, which is what angle in a semicircle. And then we can also say that angle ADB is equal to angle ACB. And then we also state that angles in the same segment, Okay, so meaning that x is equal to x as well. So we can also say that this particular angle is x. So that angle is also x. So consider triangle ABC. So that is angle at A plus angle at B plus angle at C is equal to 180 degrees, which is sum of angles in a triangle. So angle at A is 48 degrees plus angle at B is 90 degrees as stated, and then angle at C, which is x, and that is the marked angle we are looking for. So this particular one is 180 degrees. So 90 plus 48 is 138 degrees plus x equal to 180 degrees. So we move to the other side. Alright, so now we make x the subject. X is equal to 180 degrees minus 138 degrees. So we subtract 138 from 180, and that is x is equal to 42 degrees. So that particular angle, the marked angle, is 42 degrees. So you can see that the statement in theorem 3, which says that angle in a semicircle is a right angle, that is 90 degrees, enables us to solve problem under it. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.